Hi friends, I hope you are having a good day today. So I'm excited. I got a haircut, got quite a bit of length off and some really gentle little highlights at the front of my hair, which I absolutely adore. But today I'm going to be doing a style of my hair. Since it's pretty short, it'll probably be a very quick style. But before I do that, I wanted to check in because I recently, for a couple different videos, did a collaboration with Rose Forever. Remember these roses? They actually contacted me about a special that they are doing called Pink October, and it's really to help benefit the International Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Rose Forever has partnered with the Breast Cancer Research Foundation, and every single pink bouquet that is purchased, they're gonna send $2 to the International Breast Cancer Association. So that being said, I wanted to show you a quick peek of what the pink roses look like. I actually use this little drawer to put my most common and favorite everyday earrings, but the roses still look beautiful. I've had these roses about 6 weeks now, and including the other roses that are in my windowsill back there. But I think it's wonderful that Rose Forever is partnering with the International Breast Cancer Foundation. So pink roses, I will put a link in the description, and I'll also put a link on the sidebar if you want to check it out. You can still use the coupon code SAGEDAWN15, which I'll also put in my description. So moving on to my hair. By the way, can you see my doggy back there? This is Java. If you haven't met her yet, I featured her in the last couch video I did, as well as posted some pics on Instagram. So she wanted to hang out with me today. So if you can hear her snoring, I apologize up front, but she's my buddy and she likes hanging out with me. Pretty much follows me around every room I go to. She's about 5 months old at this point. So I'm gonna start by putting something on my hair. This is John Masters Organics hair milk, and this is with rose and apricot. And I love this because it just kind of tames the flyaways. I always like putting something on my hair every day after I shower. Just helps give a little more texture for my hair, but my hair is still wet. So I'm gonna just rub this in my hands and work this through my hair. When I got my hair cut, it was about 5 days ago. Just the feeling of just my neck feels cool. It was like a super overgrown pixie, but I really did enjoy the pixie, but I'm really liking this short pixie too. And he didn't shave the sides or anything like that. He did a close scissors cut. This is my stylist Kurt, who I featured in 2 previous videos of him cutting my hair, but I had a lot of fun. I don't know, it just feels like you're being super pampered when you get your hair done. And I know some people around the world are still in like lockdowns and haven't been able to get their hair cut forever. If you're one of those people, hang in there. You can cut your hair yourself or get your partner to cut your hair. Sometimes it's not as great, but I also did cut my own hair during the pandemic when our salons were closed. It can be done, but there is a light at the end of the tunnel. Hopefully salons will open up for you soon. All right, so I am going to blow dry, and here's what I'm gonna do. Because of the way he cut my hair, the hair is really moving forward. What I like to do is focus on blow drying my hair from the back forward, but also getting some lift in the front as well. So that's my goal, and my goal is to just get a nice style out of this. All right, here goes. All right, so we've got some dry hair, and it looks like I'm gonna have lots of bangs today, but I'm gonna try to make the style so that the bangs aren't just falling down. This haircut is really cute with bangs, but it's also very cute kind of pulled back like this, which I've done a few times this week, and that's kind of my goal, is I'd like to pull the bangs off my forehead. So right right now I'm gonna just be working some hairspray into this. This is the Redken Triple Take 32. Use whatever favorite hairspray you have. Been really enjoying this particular hairspray. So what I'm gonna do is first work on lifting the hair up by spraying the roots. And I'm just gonna do little quick shots with my hairspray. This is kind of needed because I just washed my hair, so my hair was very, very clean. And as you know, with clean hair, it's a little harder to get a style going, although I do it pretty much every day. I have switched from washing my hair every other day, and I've been going to the everyday thing. I don't know what it is, but lately, since I stopped really majorly dyeing my hair, I feel like my hair needs to be washed every day again. So I'm not sure if it's because I've trained it or trained myself to need to be washed every day, but that's what's been going on. Okay, so I think I am gonna try not to use any kind of curling iron today. I'm gonna completely do this without curls, but I'm gonna add a little bit of American Crew pomade. Just getting a little bit of that. Too much, as you know, can be a problem, but a little bit can help kind of lift your hair into a style. So I'm gonna just start working my way. So I don't know if it's coming across well on camera, but he did some very light highlights on the very front of my head right here. And I think it just turned out so, so cute. It was like, I didn't want a huge like chunk of blonde, but I wanted some gentle highlights. And I think it does brighten up my face a little bit. Even though I have been embracing my natural color, just the little tiny highlights in the front, I think does help. So I think I want to add a little bit more pomade to this front part, because what I'm looking for is not like a hard part, and my hair kind of gravitates naturally over to the right side. This might require a little bit more hairspray here. There we go. It is so much easier to style hair, in my opinion, for a pixie cut when it's short like this. You can even make it look like you have more hair because you can get a whole lot more lift from it. All right, let's take a look at how this is shaping into place. So I really like how that looks on this side because it's kind of swooping to the right side of my head. I like how that looks. That's looking really good. All right, let's look at the right side here. So you can make the front as wild and crazy as you want. You can pull down some little bangs if you want, but really trying to get the bangs pulled off of my forehead here. Okay, what do you guys think? Number one, how do you like my haircut? And number two, what do you think about the style? I'd be interested to know. All right, I think this is it. I'm gonna just do one more spray for good measure. Hope it stays during the day, and I hope all of you are healthy and well and are enjoying the fall weather. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It helps more people see my video. And if you haven't subscribed, I'd love to have you. I do a weekly video. I release it at 9 o'clock a.m. Central Standard Time every Saturday. So I'll see you next week, guys. Have a great day. Bye.